Hey guys, Dr. Scott Nall here from thevillageosteopath.com. Do you suffer from COVID cramps? If so, or if you don't even know what it is, hang around after this intro and we'll talk about it. Alright guys, Dr. Scott Nall here. We're going to talk about COVID cramps. What is that? Actually, it's just something I just made up. It's not even a real thing, but it sounded fun. But what I'm talking about is in our current state of affairs, everyone is having to clean a whole lot. And when you clean, you use these, right? And this can lead to wrist and hand cramping. I know all day long I'm walking around, I'm spraying everything like this, trying to get everything nice and clean so people don't get sick. And we're just doing it all over the place. And I know some places between clients, not only are they cleaning the places the client is sitting, they're cleaning the entire area, all the spaces. So that can lead to overuse of your flexor tendons in your hand, which can lead to tendonitis or carpal tunnel syndrome. So what I have devised is a way to get around that. It's much easier and actually does a better job cleaning. So check this out. Here it is right here, guys, the FloMaster. This is a agricultural sprayer that you can get to spray all your thistle and weeds at the Home Depot or Lowe's. And what you do is you just put your cleaning solution in this thing. Check this out. You grab it, you pump it, maybe 10 times, then you're good for the rest of the day. You don't have to squeeze a bottle anymore. Now watch this. It's just pressurized. Sprays a nice mist over everything. You wipe it down, and then you're clean. Just like that. All right, so there you go. That's my nifty little hack on how to prevent the COVID cramps with the FloMaster agricultural sprayer. You can just put whatever kind of cleaner you want to in there. We here at the office, if you're just kind of curious what we use, we do use a medical grade cleaner, but we also alternate in and out with cleaner that we make with essential oils as well. That actually has been shown in research to kill MRSA, which is kind of interesting. So we try to alternate between the two, plus it gives it a nice smell with the essential oils. It has cloves and cinnamon and a few other things. Won't mention the name brand just because, you know, but it is out there. If you do a search for essential oils and MRSA, there is a research article on PubMed that talks about how to make that and the results that it showed. So we are alternating that with our industrial, commercial grade, medical grade cleaner that we do that kills everything. So we also have, if you're kind of curious as well, to keep things clean, we also have an ozone generator. So we have an industrial grade ozone generator that's hooked up to our air handler on our central HVAC system. And so it will kick on every now and then and blow highly oxidized ozone particles through our ductwork, which kills out a lot of stuff. Now, that can be very irritating to the nose and the lungs, so we don't do it very often. We mainly run it when people aren't here. So we have it set up on a smart switch, which is kind of cool. And so when it senses there's no people in the building after hours, it will kick on the fan on our air handler, and then it kicks on the ozone generator, and it blows ozone through the whole thing. It helps wipe out any germs and baddies that might be hiding in the ductwork. So this is Dr. Scott Nall from villageosteopath.com. Hope you enjoyed the video and hope you found it helpful, and we'll see you later.